Experience a great price and spectacular service at family-owned and operated Cain Toyota. Here's the vehicle for you. Style and comfort meet performance and safety in the Toyota Avalon. A long list of standard features ensures an enjoyable driving experience, and the available options only make it better. Master the art of driving in style in an Avalon today. Choose from 5 models, starting with the well-equipped XLE and up to the luxurious Limited. All are powered by a 3.5-liter V6 that balances performance with efficiency. How does 268 horsepower and 30 miles to the gallon sound? Pretty good, right? Underbody diffuser panels and super low 0.28 coefficient of drag are key factors in the Avalon's impressive fuel economy. They also help reduce wind noise inside the cabin, adding to the luxury, as does French stitching on the standard leather trim seats and other soft touch areas. Available 3-zone climate control, Entune premium JBL audio system, and much more make your Avalon a commuting sanctuary. And every Avalon comes with Toyota Safety Sense driver assist features and the Toyota Star Safety System. Choose from a variety of colors, wheels, and genuine Toyota accessories and build an Avalon that's all yours. The Toyota Avalon. It's a smarter choice. Whether you're in the market for a new Toyota, a sporty Highline, or a budget car, you'll find it on Cain Toyota's 10-acre lot. With over 500 vehicles on sale every day, a friendly professional staff, and a fun, hassle-free experience, why shop anywhere else? Cain Toyota, conveniently located at 6527 Whipple Avenue Northwest in North Canton, Ohio, just 10 minutes from the Pro Football Hall of Fame.